So second day on this job in Kirk Levinson near Yarm. We're working on this tropical hardwood floor. As you can see, the first coat has been done. So we've got all the old coating off there, the old topical coating. So we're now going to be going over it with a belt sander to get it prepped up, ready for the buffing sander, and we're going to get it all buffed up, edges blended in. All the corner work done and the fine sanding, and then start looking at getting it coated up later on today. So I'll keep you updated with the progress.